my gosh. There's a birthday Amber Alert. What the heck is this? Amber Alert. Oh, the stupid thing died. No. Come on. There's an Amber Alert. Amber Alert. They mock Tennessee, dude. Oh my gosh. WMNX, how dare you? There goes WUIN. Wow. This sucks. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Mocking Tennessee mayhem.
5 foot 9 inches and 100 pounds, straight hair and brown eyes, and has tattoos all over.
Dude. Horrible audio. That is horrible. There's going to be H2R. WQSL going off. H2R2. UDE. WKXS going off. The person who did that Amber Alert is a very bad person. Who's still doing
more. What?
There goes WRMR. Jeez, what took you so long? All right, for the guys at WRMR, the engineer. Thank you.
This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Caswell County Sheriff's Office is searching for Jupiter Airy Cuddle. Jupiter Airy Cuddle is a 7-week-old white female, approximately 21 inches long and weighing about 11 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. The abductors are Jody Allen Cuddle and Taylor Ann Crawford. Jody is described as a white male, 5 foot 9 inches and 172 pounds. Brown straight hair and brown eyes, and has tattoos all over both arms. Jody was last seen wearing a black jean jacket with black fur on the collar and black jeans. Second abductor is a Taylor Ann Crawford, is described as a white female, 5 foot 2 inches and 120 pounds. Taylor has brown straight hair, medium length, and black eyes. She has tattoos of a planet with the word Jupiter. They were last seen leaving the Travel Inn in Danville, Virginia, in a red, newer Ford Edge with Virginia license plate UKN 2520. Last known location was Pelham, North Carolina. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Caswell County Sheriff's Office immediately at 336-694-2555 or call 911 or dial *HP. This is an Amber Alert.
Windows 10 is in the background.